Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Alex, and in today's video I am going to show you how to move your applications from your internal storage over to the micro SD card. So the reason you want to do this is because if you have a device that doesn't have much storage, or you're running out of space and you want to free up some of that space, what you want to do is transfer some of those applications over to your SD card. So then you get your performance back on your tablet, because if you run out of storage then your device might become a bit slower, or it's just that you can't install any more applications. So what you first need to do is obviously insert your micro SD card into your device, and then what you need to do is you go into the storage, and then you press the SD card, and then you press the three dots, and then you go to storage settings, and then you go format as internal, and then you press erase and format. So now we get onto this screen. So that is now done. So altogether you can see I've got a total of 32 gigabytes now. So internal storage had 16 gigabyte, and I've got 7 gigabytes free, and on the SD card I've got 16 gigabytes and I've got 8 gigabytes free. So altogether there's 32 gigabytes, and I've got 15 gigabytes free. So still not that much, but this is just a tutorial on how to do this. So what you want to do next is go out of the settings, press the back button, and then you want to go to a setting called app notification. It might be called something differently on your device, and then you want to select the application that you want to transfer over. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to select a application that's pretty small. So I'm going to go for eBay. It's only 100 megabytes. So 100 megabytes might look quite small, but if it's a game that you're transferring over, it might become quite big, due to it's also not just the application side, it's also storing your game settings, your game save, and cache and all that stuff, and that can bloat up the memory that is using up. So what you want to do next is press the storage button, and then what you want to do is, you can see the storage used here, internal storage. So what we want to do is press change button, and then select SD card, and then you want to press move. So that's now moving onto the SD card from the internal storage. So the process has now completed. So what's happened is moved the application from the internal storage over to the micro SD card. So what I'm going to do is go back into eBay just to show you guys. So, and then you press the storage button, and then here you can see storage used is now saved on the SD card. So now that is the process, pretty straightforward. Like I said at the beginning, every device is different and every OS is different as well, so the process might be a little bit different. You might have some of the settings named a little bit differently, but the concept is same, and you might have similar steps, so you guys can give it a go if you want to. Thank you guys for tuning in. I'll see you guys next time.